Hi friends, once again KT sir is here from the channel KartiK Tuitions. In my previous video, we had discussed about frustum. In this video, we are going to study about new solid that is sphere. Now let's have a look at daily life examples of sphere. One is a football, we all have seen it. Then a globe, which you usually see in our classrooms, and then a metallic ball. So these are the examples which we come across in our day-to-day life. Now let's proceed further. If I draw the geometrical figure of a sphere, it looks somewhat like this. Now it has only one dimension, and that is radius. Now in sphere, curved surface area, total surface area, and surface area. These all three are one and the same. So in sphere, if the question says find the curved surface area, indirectly they are asking you to find the surface area. Now surface area of a sphere is nothing else but 4 pi r square, and the volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So in this solid, you have to just study these two formulas. Now let's have a look at one sum. Find the volume and the surface area of a beach ball shown in the figure. Now see, they are talking about beach ball. Ball is in which shape? Sphere. Now since they are talking about a sphere, they have already given us the diameter. What is the diameter given? 42 centimeter. अगर diameter दिया है तो radius find कर सकते हैं. कैसे? Radius is diameter upon 2. So basically 42 upon 2 will give us 21 centimeter. Now once we get this, we have to just apply the formula. Now first they will ask us to find the volume. Now what is volume of a sphere? It is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now 4 upon 3 pi. Pi will take it as 22 upon 7. R is 21. So it will become 21 into 21 into 21. Now see 7 ones are 7 threes are. Again 3 gets cancelled. So basically you are left with 4 into 22, that is 88, and 21 into 21, that is 441. Now when we multiply these two, you get it as 38808 centimeter cube. Remember, it is a volume, so it will be cubic units. Now here it is a unit is centimeter, so it will become centimeter cube. Now next they ask us to find surface area of the ball. Now surface area of a sphere is what? 4 pi r square. So here it is 4 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. Now 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 4 into 22 will give us 88, and 3 into 21 will give us 63. Now 88 into 63 will give us 5544 centimeter square. Now here it is surface area, so it will be unit square. Now since the unit is centimeter, we'll write it as centimeter square. So the surface area of a ball is 5544 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this sum. Let's have a look at one more sum. If the surface area of a sphere is 2826 centimeter square, then find its volume. Now see, they are talking about a sphere, and for sphere they have just given us the surface area, and they have asked us to find the volume. Now सबसे पहले volume का formula क्या है? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. लेकिन कहानी में ट्विस्ट क्या है? हमारे पास r नहीं है, तो फाइंड कैसे करेंगे? With help of a surface area of a sphere. Now what is the formula to find the surface area of a sphere? Come on, tell me jaldi. It is 4 pi r square. So here I can substitute the formula as 4 pi r square. Now 2826 is equals to 4 into pi value is given to us as 3.14. So we have to take that only. So into 3.14 into r square, because r to find karna hai na. Now here therefore 2826 is equals to 4 into, now 3.14 can be done as 314 upon 100 into r square. Now r square tikde, baki sagda ikde. So 2826 into 100 upon 4 into 314 is equals to r square. Now see, you have to use your presence of mind. 4 ones are 4 25s are. So 25 the perfect square aa gaya. Now if you observe, you can reduce this directly as 9. So basically we get r square is equals to 9 into 25. Now 9 is a perfect square of 3. 25 is the perfect square of 5. So when we take the square root here, you will get 3 into 5, that is 15. So the radius of the sphere here is 15 centimeter. Now once you get this, we have to just apply the value of r in the formula of volume. So the volume of sphere is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into r kitna mila? 15. So it is 15 into 15 into 15. Now here again 3 ones are 3 fives are, so 4 into 3.14, that can be written as 314 upon 100 into 5 into 15 to 15 is 225. Now here 4 into 314 into 5 into 225 will become 1125 upon 100. Now first we'll multiply the numerator, क्योंकि denominator में तो 100 है ना, तो दो zero अपने पास है, तो we can cancel those zeros with the zeros we'll get in a numerator. So just multiply the numerator terms. You will get this as 1413000 upon 100. दो zero तो cut हो गया. So basically the volume of the sphere you will get it as 14130 centimeter cube. So the volume of the sphere is 14,130 centimeter cube. I hope you have understood this sum. Let's look at one more sum. Now this is a very interesting sum, so please pay attention. The radius of a metallic sphere is 9 centimeter. It was melted to make a wire of diameter 4 millimeter. Find the length of a wire. Directly समझेगा नहीं. So let's have a look at the pictures of it. Now see, there is a metallic sphere of radius 9 centimeter. It was melted to form a wire. Wire तो ऐसा देखा होगा. अगर इसे stretch करोगे ना, तो you'll get a cylinder. Now diameter is given to us as 4 millimeter. So radius तो find कर ही सकते हैं. Radius is what? Half of diameter. So 4 upon 2 will become 2. So our R1 here is 2 millimeters. Now after that, they have asked us to find the length of the wire. Length yani height of this cylinder we have to find. Now see, what is the logic? From sphere, we are getting a wire. So basically volume of sphere has to be equals to volume of wire or volume of cylinder. So now volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube and volume of cylinder is pi r1 square h. Right? So let's start with the solving of the sum. Now see, first for sphere r is given to us as 9 centimeter. Now for cylinder, they have given us a diameter. From diameter we'll get the radius as 2 millimeter. But the other detail is given in centimeter. So we have to convert this also into centimeter. Now here 2 millimeter will become 2 upon 10 centimeter. Then we have to find the length of a wire. In other words, we have to find the height, which is denoted by h. Now, as we have discussed, volume of cylindrical wire is equals to volume of sphere. So basically, pi r1 square h is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now pi gets cancelled. So we are left with what? R1 square h is equals to 4 upon 3 r cube. Now R1 का वैल्यू पता है, हाँ कितना है 2 upon 10. So I can write 2 upon 10 into 2 upon 10. अच्छा h तो पता नहीं है, तो वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा, is equals to 4 upon 3 into r cube. What is r? It is 9. So basically it will become into 9 into 9 into 9. Now first see here, h is equals to 4 upon 3 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 10 upon 2 into 2. Now see, the calculation is very easy. Here 3 ones are 3 threes are, then 2 ones are 2 fives are, 2 ones are 2 fives are. So basically what do we get? We have to just multiply the terms of numerator. So here h is equals to 4 into 5 will give us what? 5 into 5 is 25. So 4 into 20 will give us 100 into 3 into 9 into 9. So that will give us 243. So our height will become 24300 centimeter, right? But wire always comes in a meter. So we have to convert this into meter. Now 1 meter is equals to what? 100 centimeter. So we'll divide this by 100. So that will give us 243 meter. So the length of the wire is 243 meters. I hope you have understood this sum also. Let's look at one more interesting sum. Now this sum is bit difficult and tricky. So please pay attention. A cylindrical glass contains water. A metal sphere of diameter 2 centimeter is immersed in it. Find the volume of the water. ऐसे कुछ समझेगा नहीं. Let's have the visualization. Now see, I have a cylindrical container in which already the sphere is there. ठीक है? अगर मैं ये sphere को निकाल दूंगा ना, तो पानी कम हो जाएगा. पानी कम होगा because when in a container sphere was there, the water level height has increased. Now here if you just try to understand, this initial height is taken by small h, where the new height is taken as capital H, that is 30 centimeter, which is given to us. So here now just try to understand, for cylindrical vessel the diameter is given to us as 14 centimeter. So basically our radius becomes 7 centimeter. I hope you understood this much. But when we talk about the sphere, ठीक है, स्पीयर को जब डाला तो पानी बढ़ गया, तो वो टाइम पे हाइट था 30 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर, यानी पानी कितना था कंटेनर में, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. नाउ फॉर दैट द लॉजिक इज व्हाट, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय v plus volume of sphere will give us the volume of the water with a height of 30 centimeter. थोड़ा समझ आया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं. मैं लास्ट पार्ट जो राइट हैंड साइड बोला वो कौन सा वॉल्यूम है, दैट वाज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर व्हेन द हाइट वाज 30 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ सी हियर, आई डोंट नो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन द कंटेनर. What is the volume of a sphere? It is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And volume of container, it is cylindrical shape. So basically the volume formula will be pi r square h. Now we are going to use this concept to get the volume of the water. So let's start solving of a sum. Now first, for sphere, the diameter is given as 2 centimeter. So the radius will become 1 centimeter. Now since there are two objects, the radius we have considered it as r1. The next, the volume of a sphere is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So here 4 upon 3 into pi. फिलहाल pi को ऐसे ही रहने दो. Into r1 is 1. So into 1 into 1 into 1. Now when you multiply this, you'll get it as 4 upon 3 pi. I hope I'm clear till here. Now इसके पहले जो concept discuss किया वो क्या था? Volume of the water in cylinder plus volume of the sphere is equals to what? Apparent volume of a water when sphere is immersed in the water. So basically हमारे पास v तो है नहीं, तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. बट वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर मिला, कितना मिला? 4 अपॉन 3 पाई इज इक्वल्स टू. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर व्हेन स्फीयर इज इमर्स्ड इन अ वाटर दैट इज सिलिंड्रिकल कंटेनर, सो इट विल बिकम व्हाट? pi r square h. H is capital because that is the initial height given, that is 30 centimeter. Now here वॉल्यूम तो फाइंड करना है, तो 4 अपॉन 3 पाई को हम लोग वहां लेके जा सकते हैं. सो इट विल बिकम v इज इक्वल्स टू pi r square h माइनस 4 अपॉन 3 पाई. अभी राइट हैंड साइड पे देखो, दोनों में कुछ कॉमन दिख रहा है क्या? हाँ, क्या कॉमन दिख रहा है? पाई. सो ब्रैकेट में आएगा आर स्क्वायर एच माइनस 4 अपॉन 3. नाउ जो जो वैल्यू पता है सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. सो पाई इंटू, अभी स्मॉल आर का वैल्यू कितना है अपना? दैट इज 7. तो 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 30 माइनस 4 अपॉन 3. सो हियर v इज इक्वल्स टू पाई इंटू, नाउ 7 इंटू 7 इज 49. 49 इंटू 30 will give us 1470 minus 4 upon 3. Now here we need to take the LCM because the denominator of 1470 is 1. So here when you take the LCM, we get pi into 4410 minus 4 upon 3. So v is equals to pi into 4406 upon 3. So it will become v is equals to, now we are not going to substitute the value of pi, and when you divide 4406 by 3, you will get it as 1468.67 pi centimeter cube. So the volume of the water in the cylinder is 1468.67 pi centimeter cube. I hope you have understood this sum. Also the concept. If you are enjoying my videos, do share it with your friends. Also like, share and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Thank you.